This video is going to make a lot of people a lot of money online using other people's hard work. Let's say Hollywood's hard work. Stick to the end of the video because not only I'm going to give you my premium software 100% free that will help you make money in this system. But in case you want to use any other software, paid or free, it's your choice, but you'll still make money. And literally, sky is the limit how much money you can make with this because you will have millions of options. And if you take one option per day, you'll get hundreds of free views, free traffic, and free cash off of YouTube and other people's work. And if this video, you feel like at any point of this video, you feel like this is a good video, it's adding value to your life, it's helping you learn something new and make money, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And hit the share button, share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts so they also learn how to make money online because it's easy. But you have to work and you have to follow instructions and you have to use probably my software. Link in the description. Is free, premium, but it's free for you, my viewers on YouTube. But in case you want to use any other software, go ahead, but watch this video completely. It starts with John Wick. In case you don't know John Wick is an elite killer. An assassin who retired for his girlfriend, no, for his wife. And the girlfriend died, the wife died. Somebody killed his puppy and stole his favorite car. And he got back to the business. Then chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, no, not yet. No sign of chapter 4. We love chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Chapter 3 was insane. Crazy fights, insane, unbelievable. Something like South Indian movie fights, but still, they were cool. But John Wick 4, no sign of it. Look at YouTube. John Wick 4, thousands of videos of John Wick 4. How? And then I came to know about a keyword that people are adding after their videos and they're getting millions of views and millions of traffic, sales, profit, revenue. Now, let's go back, focus. Go to YouTube, look at my screen. If you're lazy, just check my screen. John Wick 4 concept. And you'll see all these crazy videos. Wait, some of the videos got tiny bit of clue that there is something called John Wick 4 is coming up. The rest of them are all pieces of previews of all 3 chapters plus pieces of other movies of Keanu Reeves and other people. So it's like a composition, a trailer type pieces put together videos, and they are published as John Wick 4 official trailer, John Wick 4 Resurrection, John Wick 4 5 plot, John Wick 4 movie preview, John Wick chapter 4 trailer. All are concept videos. So this is amazing. The first concept video I see here was published 1 year ago and it has got 1.1 million views. Another one 4 months ago, 594 views. Another one 8 months ago, 1 million views. 7 days ago, 120 views. 120k views. 4 years ago, 8.8 million views. Okay, ballerina, that's female John Wick. No idea what that is. Another one 7 months ago, 374,000 views. Another one 6 months ago, the most unfortunate one, 16,000 views. John Wick 4 2 years ago, my goodness, 7.8 million views. Look, this is crazy, okay? In one word, totally crazy, totally nuts. All you have to do is to take a sequel, let's say Fast and Furious, or let's say Avengers. Put the pieces together, add a background music, and name it the next episode concept. And mention that this is a concept. Crazy, right? I'll give you one example. I'll give you another crazy example. Stick to the end of the video. Iron Man adopts Spider-Man. Okay? If you haven't watched this video, go watch it because this is crazy. And this is so creative. So creative, okay? This one, Tony Stark and Peter Parker. Adoption, AU, home, whatever, okay? 12 million views in 2 years. 12 million views. This is a complete made up and a fake video, but so dramatic, so nice. If you watch it, you will love it. I'm not gonna run it, okay? You go watch yourself. It has got 12 million views and 201,000 likes. And right now, dislikes have been hidden by YouTube, but the first time I saw this video, it got really low number of dislikes. So people didn't bother that this is a concept video, this is a made up video. People loved the drama. And all it was done, go watch this video and you will know that these are just the pieces of different movies of the same characters, and It is made sequentially like a story. It told a story of how Tony Stark or Iron Man adopted Spider-Man, which is fake. Amazing. People are making money off of other people's hard work without making any trouble, without getting into trouble. Let's talk about another concept video because we still have some time. Oh, by the way, my software link in the description will help you make movies like this without you ever being in front of the camera, without you writing a script ever, and without you even speaking, because the software will do everything for you. It will fetch elements from the internet. It doesn't need you to be in front of the camera. It will write the story, the script for you using AI, and it will speak for you. It will give you a voiceover using text to speech. So everything is done for you. Go use this software. It's free. Avengers 5 Secret Wars teaser trailer concept. This video, can you see that? 14 million views in 1 year. It's more than 1 million views per month. If you have never seen Iron Man suit up videos, then you should probably search for Iron Man suit up. Iron Man suit up videos are crazy popular, okay? Let's look at this. All Iron Man suit ups 2008 to 2019 in 4K in 2 years, 49 million views. Oh. Iron Man suit up scene, Mark III armor, okay, 23 million views in 4 years. Okay, Iron Man every suit up scenes, 36 million views in 2 years. Imagine the number of views equals the number of free traffic equals the money. Evolution of Iron Man all suit up scenes 2008 to 2021 in 4K, 5.6 million views in 2 months. What's stopping you? I'm not stopping you. I'm giving you my software. Go use that software and start making them right. Want to learn about more? Oh, go search for Spider-Man. So many Spider-Mans. Okay, search with all Spider-Man. You'll find all Spider-Man suits, all Spider-Man movies, all Spider-Man scenes, all Spider-Man together, all Spider-Man web shooter locations. Okay, 97K 1 day ago. I think this is a game, all right. Another one? Oh, probably these are all games. But who cares? You love Netflix? Don't worry. Top 10 best Netflix movies to watch now 2021. 3.6 million views 11 months ago. Top 10 most watched Netflix original movies of all time. Netflix most watched movies list 395,000 views 3 weeks ago. Top 10 best fantasy movies on Netflix. Netflix fantasy movies 2021 Hollywood fantasy movies list 40K views 1 month ago. These videos don't have to be video clips. They can be images and stories. My software will help you do that. Even if you want clips of videos, my software will help you. You don't have time to make a long video one time? Don't worry, my software will help you. It will allow you make small chunks of videos at a time, save it as a project, and later, one click, compile, make one video, upload it, get results. Top 10 best Netflix original movies to watch right now, 2021, 517K views in 8 months. I'm gonna stop here, okay? Go and take advantage of Hollywood and start making money today. Use my software, link in the description. How many times do I have to tell you that the software is free? You should get it. That's it. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button for more videos. All will be money making videos for you. You get views, you get traffic, you make money. Not me, I'm already making it. And yes, don't forget to hit the share button, share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts so everybody learns how to make money from Hollywood. Not only watch, make money off of Hollywood's hard work. And I will see you in the next video.